Clearing your search history on Deezer can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Deezer app. Launch the Deezer application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the gear icon, typically located in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy or Account Settings section. This is where you can manage your personal data, including search history. Step 4. Clear search history. Once in the Privacy settings, look for the option to clear or delete your search history. Tap on this option to remove all previous searches from your account. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Deezer. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your listening experience and keep your preferences private.